Hello, and welcome to day 3, Wednesday, February 24th. Remember, today is not like every other Wednesday. Wednesdays are usually async day where we don't meet together, but today we will have class at 7 p.m. Let's see what you have to do. First, you'll watch this video. Then, you'll click async. Remember, async is your daily homework assignment. You have 2 activities today in async. The first activity is to complete pages 4 and 5 in your textbook. Page 4 has part 2A. Page 5 has B and C. Remember, if you do not have your book, you can just write your answers on paper and then post here. In the comment section, type your answers, or you can write your answers on a piece of paper and take a picture and upload. Please make sure to follow the directions, the same as yesterday, on how to upload your picture, all right, in Schoology. So you can complete it, take a picture of your assignment, and post it in the comment section. Your next async assignment is writing sentences. So you're learning about infinitives and gerunds, and you're going to create sentences of things you like to do. And here are some examples. All right, you're going to write 2 to 4 sentences, and you'll use gerund and you'll use infinitive. If you choose to do 2, 1 of each. If you choose to do 4, 2 of each. And you will type your answers here. Please make sure you check spelling and grammar before you post. That's it for async. Remember, it is our special Wednesday, so we will have sync. This class will be dedicated to how to use Spark 3000, how to use Achieve 3000. Many people are new to it, so we'll take some time and go over in detail on how to use it and the benefits and some ways we can work around the challenges. So please be on time, 7 p.m. on Zoom this evening. And that's it for today. Good luck.